Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On our previous video I taught you how to draw your brows using just David's pencil. As you can see, I'm done. I did my brows off the camera. So today I'll be taking you on how to conceal your brows. So for this brows concealing, I will be making use of two brands. Blossom, I'll be using number 100 of Blossom concealer, that's spotless. And I'll also be making use of Zikel concealer, the shade Nude. To conceal your brows, you'll be needing this. This is my angle brush, although it's not really an angle brush, but this works for me. I love using it so much because it works for me. And you also be needing a blending brush. This is it. So the first step is this. This is my Blossom concealer. You can see it's light, and this is my Zikel. See, it's darker than the Blossom. The first step is this. For the middle part of your brows, you use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin to conceal. I'm talking about this part. You use a concealer that's 2 shades lighter. Then for other parts, that's here and here, you use a concealer that's your exact skin shade. So let's get started. So for the middle, gently, just going to blend downward. My blending brush. This is the other shade, so I'll just So it is it. You blend very well. This is it. I'm going to repeat the same process for the second one before I move to the upper part of the brows. It's a lighter shade. Conceal the middle. Then with your middle shade that is closer to your skin, You can get these products in my store. You can just go to Instagram and check for Basic Concept Beauty Store to shop for your products. So that's it for the under. I'm done concealing. So this is it. You can see very clean. Okay, using my skin shade, I'm going to conceal the upper part of my brows to make it look more defined. Although it's looking perfect this way, but I still want it more perfect. So this is how I'll do it. So I'm just going to blend the concealer into my skin. I don't like using excess products when concealing my upper part of the brows, so it will look more natural and it will help me blend very well. You can see, this is it. So I'm going to repeat the same process for this other part for those that didn't get it first time. Let's go. Here's our brows, a beginner friendly brows for those that love to do their makeup themselves. This is it. If you follow the process, you're gonna get this. So this is it. So guys, we are done with our brows. Let me know how you feel about this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can get notification whenever we upload a new video. I would also like you guys to drop your comments in the comment section below. I'll attend to everybody. Tell me how you feel about this video, and if you want me to do another one, I'm going to do it for you guys. Yeah, you first. Bye.